A new sales tax is promising relief for homeowners, but first, local leaders must come to an agreement.
It hurts every year to have to come up with that money, you know?
I'm Leanne Abu Tarbouch, your Thomasville neighborhood reporter with what this means for you and your property taxes. Last November, I did a story asking neighbors what they thought about the flexible local option sales tax, or FLOST, a new measure approved by Georgia voters. The idea was to shift some of the property tax burden onto sales taxes collected at local businesses. If implemented, the plan could bring in over $10 million annually, cutting property taxes by 50%. So far, county leaders say the feedback has been overwhelmingly in favor of the proposal.
My feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. I think people look at their individual property taxes and they would like the opportunity to have those taxes rolled back. That's probably the number one complaint we get from the public is property taxes.
Here's how it works. An additional 1-cent sales tax would be collected at cash registers across the county. That revenue, estimated at $10.5 million, would then replace part of the $18.4 million currently collected from property taxes, reducing the burden on homeowners. Homeowners like Donald Davis, who's been paying property taxes for decades, says this change could make a big difference.
We can't continue to have the burden based solely on the property owners for the tax base.
Davis tells me his property taxes cost him between $7,000 and $8,000 a year, an amount that's become harder to manage. And while some might worry about the sales tax increase, Davis believes the impact would be minimal.
That small of amount distributed among the whole population is not going to hurt that bad.
County leaders say the plan could also attract new businesses to Thomas County.
I think this would be a tremendous economic development advantage for Thomas County if we were able to reduce our property taxes in half. I think that would be a great attraction to other businesses and industries that might want to locate here.
But not everyone is on board. The cities of Ocklawaha, Pavo, and Barwick are considering repealing the homestead exemption that makes this relief possible. If they proceed, it could leave homeowners in these areas without property tax relief and jeopardize the referendum for the entire county. The referendum is set for March 18th, but only if the 6 cities come to an agreement. In Thomasville, I'm Leanne Abu Tarbouch, ABC 27.